Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. Okay guys, quickly I saw this we actually noticed this earlier on today and gave us a lot of profit. This is a cool setup that you can easily milk, and this is good. And of course it gave us a unique signal right from the support zone, and it was a massive winning for us all. Okay, so this is so beautiful, and of course this is how you can use this strategy to milk the market all the time. I'm going to share more light on it so that you will know how to go about it. So quickly, before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos. Do your own personal practice. I mean, you need to practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out this asset. Okay, this is gold, and of course most of you don't even know that you can use this smart trading tool to trade gold. Okay, of course you can. Okay, that's the beautiful thing about it. Okay, you can use it for any of the assets. Okay, so if you have been wondering if you can use it, definitely I'm saying it right now that you can use it. Okay, I actually saw this setup earlier on today, and of course I noticed that this is actually going to go for long because this has actually got into the support zone. If you should notice, it has oversold already, and of course got to the support zone, and I was only waiting for the right signals. I saw the trend signal first. When I saw the trend signal, I was waiting for the stability of the buy signal, and when I got the buy signal and I was clear about it, I decided to wait a bit. So I came in around there. Okay, when I came in around there, I gave room for a stop loss, so I decided to put my stop loss down here. And of course this gives me an assurance that okay, even if the market decides to break out below the support zone, then definitely I will be taken out of the market with a little loss. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, this is how you can easily manage your business. But of course it went up in my direction, even though it pulled back a bit and came back. So this is normal about trade. Okay, then later on it went up, and of course got to this region, came down again, and of course went up and up. Okay, at this stage I already knew that okay, I am having nothing to risk again, so I believe that this is going to go in my way, okay, for a very long time. So I pull up my stop loss to lock up 30% of the profit in case anything happens. Okay, so this actually came down to here, and of course went back up again. So when it came here, I added more orders, and of course in order for me to have more profits. Okay, so it went up again, and of course I adjusted my stop loss to the middle to lock up 50% of the profits. Okay, so that's so amazing. Okay, so at this stage I knew that okay, I'm going to close this trading profit because I've already locked up some part of the profit. Even if there is a pullback in the market or a total reversal in price action, then definitely I will still be in profit. And this is the same thing, the same way I manage all my trading activities. If you are on the Telegram channel, then you will notice that this is exactly what I have been preaching on the Telegram channel, and of course you too can also do the same thing. It makes trading very easy for me using this trading tool called Smart Indicator. And of course with the way I manage the trading activities, it makes it very easy for me because with that I find it difficult to make profit on daily basis. You can imagine if this market has actually, if it's actually decided to take a U-turn or an end-turn in order for it to go down, down and down, okay, they immediately get into this stop loss. I will have taken away from the market. I will be taken away from the market with the rest of the profit. So at that stage, it means that I will still be in profit, but it didn't happen that way anyway, but it went up again. At this stage, I had to adjust my stop loss to somewhere here to lock up more profit for myself. So this time around, I'm locking up about 60% of the profit right away, so which is so unique, okay, which means I'm only risking 40% of the market, okay, I mean of the profit, in order for me to make more profit. Got to this stage, came down again, and of course went back up, and at this stage I decided to lock up more of the profit again, okay. So this time around I decided to lock up 80% of the profit, okay. So of course went up to till it got to this stage, and of course I still locked up more. And at this stage, remember, I opened multiple trades, and at this stage it came down and it's my stop loss, okay guys. It means that I kept 80% of the whole profit for this, okay. So that's so unique, and that is the beauty of it, because I decided to keep the 80% because in case it breaks out above this resistance zone, then it will give me more opportunity to earn more right from there. So I only risk about 20% of the profit in order to see if I can make more. I can as well close the trade when it got here, but what if it breaks out above it, okay, which you cannot, I mean, we are not too sure of, okay, except for when it's made this candle formation, okay. At this stage, one should know that, okay, it may likely sell for a while, which it's happened, okay. It sold, and of course gave a downtrend signal around there, and of course gave us a sell signal around there, and right now it is I mean, it's also sold for a while in order to give us profit, okay. So that is how it works, guys. So this is a beauty trade. I mean, this is the beautiful part of you having a unique trading strategy and having a setup like this, so that you can always be in profit all the time. Someone once asked me, how are you guys doing it that you guys are making profit all the time? Okay, using the trading tool alone gives you more than 70% assurance that you can be in profit all the time, okay. Now applying this same method of trading to it, that is the way I just manage the trading activities, gives you more than 90% assurance that you can always be in profit all the time. So guys, that is the beauty of it all, okay. So you've seen the way I followed up with the trading activities, so you too can also do the same thing, most especially if you are having the trading tool. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. If you want to know more about the trading tool, you can join the Telegram channel, and you can also ask me more questions on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp link is in the description box below this video, so do not waste time at all. Just go there, grab the WhatsApp link, and of course contact me, send message to me on WhatsApp, and I'll always be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.